How to add custom keyboard shortcuts for extensions on Chrome browser. So if you want to add custom keyboard shortcuts for extensions on your Chrome browser, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser. Once you open up your Chrome browser, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then you need to go with extensions. Go with manage extensions, and here you will have all of your extensions, right? So here on the left side, you will have keyboard shortcuts. So click on keyboard shortcuts. So I'll just simply go with a different browser in which I have the extensions. Now, once you have the extensions, you need to go with keyboard shortcuts. Now, here you will have the turn on extensions, and you can activate the extension, go with the pencil shaped icon, and type a shortcut, which is, for example, I'll just simply choose Control plus A to activate this extension. You can go with the right side, go with the drop down, and you can select in Chrome. And in the same way, you can go with the other extensions also. So that's how you can add custom keyboard shortcuts for your extensions on your Chrome browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.